Many people today are looking for simple skincare and cosmetics. They are fed up of using products that are full of things that they just simply don't understand or don't want to use on their skin. They want to know what the ingredients are and how they can benefit from them. Hi, I'm Sarah Janes from Soap School. The trend for natural skincare is growing. And whether you're looking for simple products for yourself or your family, or even as part of a business, you will find a wealth of information and formulas on this hands-on course. We cover a wide range of products, so some of them you've probably heard of and already use. Things like sugar scrubs. Sugar scrubs and salt scrubs are now a top-selling complementary item in the cosmetics industry. Soft, fluffy, nourishing body butters are a must-have in many skin regimes. So we want to make sure that you have all of the skills and information to learn not just how to make one, but how to make several different varieties, and we're going to include a wealth of formulations for you. Throughout the day, you're going to be utilising some really delicious natural ingredients from plant oils, butters, essential oils, active ingredients, vitamins. We really are going to be packing some gorgeousness into your day. And we'll also share how you can create your own botanical infusions that can be used right throughout these range of products to help keep your skin pampered and soft. All of the products that you're going to be making are what are called anhydrous, and that means that they contain no water, so we don't need to use preservatives in any of these products. You really are going to have a fun-packed day. You're going to be making balms and salves, lip balms, lip butters. You'll be creating delicious body butters. Then we're going to be exfoliating with delicious sugar and salt scrubs. And we'll be finishing off with some massage products, massage oils and massage bars. This course doesn't need any prior experience. You can just come along and have a fun day. We always include a great handout. It's got all of the information about the ingredients, your supplier's information, and a wealth of formulations. Not just the ones that you'll be making on the day, but also additional ones for you to enjoy at home. And we wanted to include some other bonuses too. So we've also included a printed guide with 10 all-natural lip colours for you that you can incorporate into your lip balms and your lip glosses. And to help you enjoy those massage products even more, we've given you an additional 6 essential oil blends that you can incorporate into those products. We really hope that we see you on this course. It's not just a fun-packed day, it is full of information, and you will go home with a wondrous collection of products to enjoy. I hope we see you soon. Bye-bye for now.